Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Hello Spring layered card. How pretty is that? With all the different flowers, you have that fun sentiment there in the center, those cute little ladybugs in the top and the bottom. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really fun to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Alright, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at the different options that are available with each membership and select which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to click sign in. I'll enter my credentials and log into my account. And now I'm logged into the website. To access the file libraries, head to the Files tab in the main navigation bar. Now this file is free, which means it is available for all memberships. Those with free memberships can find the file in the Free Files page. Those with basic and premium memberships will be able to find the file in the file library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 587. That is the Hello Spring layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open. And upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do on the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group and attach, and we need to do the same thing to the card base. Highlight the score line, change it to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make It, and you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have all of our different layers cut out. Now it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is layer up the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the dark green layer, light green layer, pink, orange, purple, red, and then light yellow or cream. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I go ahead and layer all this together, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. Alright, there is our fun and colorful front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side. We can take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up that card base. Add the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close that card base. And now we can attach that front cover panel to the front of the card. And our card is all set. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. Push up with your thumbs and press. And that forms your envelope. And our Hello Spring layered card is all set. How fun was this card? I know that there were a lot of different layers for that front cover panel, but in the end it is so worth it. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!